welcome to the Mixup. On the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is playing a tape with the landlord. And this is what she has to say and this is what he has to say. So go ahead and watch the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday. God bless you.
My Lord God. People, I'm going to hear something here. I'm going to hear something here. Speak on the minds. Laugh if you don't want to laugh. Me say laugh if you don't want to laugh. They might cuss me too. I don't know. But if they cuss me, I don't want to laugh. Me laugh off for the blood. Me say I want to laugh. Laugh. Even if it is about me, laugh for me too. You understand? Because I'm a king teeth too. Better me laugh than ball, master. You better me laugh than ball. That is my new focus. Anyways, without further ado, darling, eyes great, eyes amazing. Missy one of them I call, Mr. Lord God, me rich again, tablas, cut me rich again. Hey, God love me, no, God love me. Look at me, me not to be no see have money in our next account. Me tap chat busy because people will get mad. I want to come cost me. If you look at top pence, you look a shilling, what me have. I me care, but they don't look at cost if you look a shilling. Me have cars, you know what I say? Now people have more shilling than me. Me I'm gonna look a show. I feel like a shilling, we can stretch. Just a look at it so. But anyway, enough of that. People talk on the mind, skin teeth if you want skin teeth. Go on with yourself. Just make sure me I beg you, please. Now make face up black on the because I don't want to get black. So you anything on the right, just make sure say, hey, if you know so I'm not gonna use word or face up my black on the far, use the symbol them, use the emoji them, so people can understand what I talk about. That way face with now black on, you understand? And me no want now to get black. Me don't want to get black. So anyways, without further ado, make we go down night, master. Hey, on like and share. This one, that's the one it want crowd. That one it want crowd because that one hot and spicy. Jamaican chicken hot and spicy. That one hot and spicy. KFC hot and spicy. With 2 scotch by the pepper. Fling that radical. Forget one bigger kick. Yeah. And this one I go with down. Anyway, make me tap chat and we could go down tonight. What on there, master? What on there? Alright, on the ready? Alright, we could go down tonight.
Massive father, come here, 13. Come here. I see a little nasty germsy boy in England. Me never know you could have put me on for your platform to call my name. You want on your platform, swine.
Put it!
You see how me important? When you are your thieving friend, the amount of people inbox with him under one day and cost the people them and thief June money. Yeah, go like you better than 13. You over there call me name. I look views off of me name. Thank you, love, for your 200 stars. You over there look views off of me name, dirty boy. Read and write, boy in a pampas, boy will take good. When the whole of you mash up, the whole of you wearing gone drunk. You say me lower than you lower me.
What's up, some blood clot?
I tore no teeth. He tore no mash up social media. 13 greasy and dirty stinking, nasty, doing.
Blood clot?
Yes. The whole play that one here when you done play that one there. When you done play that one there, nasty, dirty thinking doing. Come play that one here. You better make sure play that one here.
Yeah, play.
Yeah. You drunk, you thief, you. And you build 13. 13 doing and Gracie and them mash up social media. Who no go back and think. Look on the man where doing have a call me and threaten me this morning, me find the man. People of social media.
Oh, how much doing?
The man
enough
living
doing the
out
prayer,
there
enough doing the
sick
prayer.
just like
Enough
him.
doing, enough doing.
The man a cook next to him better than England in there. There are a set of drunk crow. They are a, thank you for your 50 stars, sweetheart. They are a set of dogs without foot. That's Orlando. Thank you for your 200 stars, sweetheart. They walk round and give me a God Almighty trouble. Eh?
I want to give you more stars.
Who take this your nasty, dirty scrimmage here? If you come put international drunk crow. England international crow drawing.
What?
International dog. A Jamaica me there, a Great Britain you there. Yeah, where the woman money there? You know, come out if you come talk about the money and me tell you say, come out, dirty, stinking, nasty, drunk or doing. Doing Fletcher, how many countries have you been? Comes out and show people how much stamp in your passport and where you go. It's time you take me and play upon your platform. And 3 of them. 3 dirty bungle, Dewey and Gracie and 13. The 3 of them thief. Because Gracie couldn't stand to see Dewey and one a thief the money man 13. So he never stopped till he take 13 over there and then start thief and Gracie start thief more. Dirty, nasty, thinking, thief in doing. Zero the money. Why not take set for me for? Me tell you from one day if you come with passport, can show blood clot countries. Countries.
Why?
Be a star. Only a great blood clot.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No, man. Come. Hey, that was too sweet. That was too sweet. I had to come out with people. I have to come with that one cause, you know. I said, I mix up my set, and I mix up my thing there. And if I like mix up, I mix up this. So, I could go down and eat. Let's go down and eat. Boy, come back. Well on. I feel like what about the blood clot?
I turn back. Make we deal with the other one.
Why?
Dirty drunk crow. Passport time. You want hype on social media, dog? Come here.
I ain't go far.
Come here.
I walk.
Come here.
Hey! Why? Oi! How are you show, girl? I cannot be woman.
Come here.
But there.
First one. USA visa. See?
Me not need visa. Me use Esther.
Long blood clot time me do
We use
visa.
Esther.